Hey MB crew, Mona B here. So before we get into the video, make sure you guys turn on your post notifications so you're notified whenever your girl uploads a new video to her channel. Make sure you guys are subscribed to my lifestyle channel, that is Life as Mona B. It will be linked in the description box below and in the iCard section above. And make sure you guys are following me on Instagram at Mona X Banks. Okay, so today we have a highly requested video. I've been meaning to do this video for such a long time, y'all. Y'all been asking me every time y'all see me with a turban on, can I please show y'all how I get my turban to stay like that all day, how I do my donut on my turban and everything. So I was like, let me go ahead and do this video. You can wear your hair wrap or turban however you want to, but today I'm going to be showing you guys how I wear mine, okay? If you don't want to wear yours like that, that's perfectly fine, but I'm just going to be showing you how I wear mine. Okay, so I have a scarf on and I have my hair braided to the back. Now, it's very important for your hair to be flat. Now, I know sometimes your hair may not be flat, or, you know what I'm saying, you may have, I don't know, you may have had a ponytail or whatever. That's okay. But I will tell you guys this. The flatter your hair is underneath, the better that your turban will lay and it will not come undone. So with my turbans, I like to put a bonnet underneath because that is cotton, and cotton dries your hair out. So, you know, if I just freshly moisturize my hair, I want it to stay that way. So I like to apply a bonnet. So that's what I'm going to go ahead and do, like so. And I also do my edges. Now, you don't necessarily have to do your edges or your baby hair. You can just comb them all back. You don't want to look like you're rocking your turban because your hair isn't done. No shade, but you want your turban to be a fashion statement. And even if you are wearing it because your hair isn't done, because I do it too, you don't want people to know that's why you got it on your head. So don't just throw it up on your head all crazy. There's different type of material you can use. Now, I don't recommend using like this type of material. Oopsies. I don't recommend using like this type of material. It's slippery, it's sleek, and it's probably not going to hold up throughout the day. So you want to use cotton or stretch cotton. So like these turbans that I have, I made these. I used to sell these. If you are OG, then you know that. But anyways, these ones I've made myself, but they are they're not stretch cotton. So yeah, they don't stretch, but they are durable, they're heavy, and they're good for tying turbans. Now, this turban I made too, it's getting old. I actually need to try to find it again now. They don't sell this material anymore. I can't find it, so I can't tell y'all where to go, but you can find turbans a lot of different places. The fabric store, you know what I'm saying, Walmart. Just go and cut some fabric, get some fabric cut. You can use leggings. I know some people use t-shirts, whatever you want to use, but just try not to use anything that is slippery. But yes, these are the turbans and hair wraps that I typically wear. This is a stretch knit, you know, type of thing, stretch cotton, and this isn't. And I like mine long. The longer it is, the better. You can use like infinity scarves. You can use scarves that you wear around your neck. It's just all up to you. So I'm going to start off with my black turban, and then I'll show you guys those. Because this one is more like leggings material, okay? Those ones aren't. Okay, so here's the thing. So you want the width of your turban to be pretty wide, okay? Because you want it to be able to fit over your head. That is very important, because if it is not wide enough, you will not get the perfect tie or donut or whatever you're trying to achieve. It's not going to work out how you want it to work out. Like, it's just not. I just tilt my head down like this, and then I bring it around my ears. Now, I know some people don't bring theirs around their ears, but let me show you what most people do. I don't like it, okay, when people wear their turbans like this. If you wear yours like this, don't get offended, but I don't like it, okay? So you can wear it around your ears or above your ears. It's however you want to wear it. I typically like mine around my ears. Like, I don't like stuff pressuring down on my ears. This is what I see a lot of people do, and it drives me nuts. So I'm going to show y'all really briefly before I show y'all how I do mine. This is what I see a lot of. This right here. Now, this isn't tied properly, but I'm just showing y'all. This is what I see a lot of when I'm out or on social media. Why do you want this? Now, I don't want anybody to get mad, but I'm just giving y'all tips. Y'all asked, so I'm here to do it. Why would you want this resting on your forehead? That's hot. Why would you want this on your forehead? That's just, like, I know after a while that's going to bother you. I mean, if this is what you want to do, it's up to you. Like, you know what I'm saying? Don't get your panties all in a bunch and get all butthurt over this video. But I don't like this. Like, it's all on your forehead. It's to your eyebrows. Like, it look crazy to me. Like, I'm going to be honest with y'all. Hey, it is what it is. Y'all asked for my opinion. Here it is. This ain't it. This ain't it. This is not it, okay? This is not the wave. This is not it. I couldn't imagine wearing this all day on my forehead like this. So this is the way I like to do mine. So you bring it around your ears. You can put it over your ears if you want to. So the key is, so you're going to take this side. So this is my right side. This is y'all left. So I'm going to take this right side and I'm going to cross it over. Y'all see what I'm doing? I'm going to cross it over the left side, right? I'm going to cross it over. And what I'm doing is I'm tucking this, like I'm covering the right side over the left side. Like I'm completely covering it like this. Okay? So now y'all see it makes one. It makes one, right? So then, while that's in there, at the base you want to turn it really tight because the base right here is very important because this is going to set the tone for your turban, for it to hold all day. Don't do this part loose. Don't do it super tight, but don't do it loose, okay? So you want the base to be tight like this. And you still want this to be loose, the bottom part, okay? So what you're gonna do is you're gonna bring it, okay, so you're going to bring it around like that. Sorry if I'm looking in the mirror. Okay, so you brought it around. Y'all see how this is still loose? Then you're just gonna continue to twist, 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 twist. And we're at the end, and you're going to push that under. Like this. That's all you got to do, y'all. Like that. Okay? Then you just fix it how you want it to be. I don't use any pins or anything. I get a lot of questions. Like, do you use pins? No. That's all I do. But like I said, it depends on the material you're using. Because the material is important. And then you have your turban. See why I say I like to have my edges out? Because it just looks like well put together. Like even if you just brush it back, you don't have to necessarily swoop your baby hair around. But even if you just push your edges back, it looks put together. It looks like it's a part of your look. Because I know everybody doesn't wear turbans for fashion statements. I do, but everybody doesn't. But if you are going to wear it, you know what I'm saying? You know, because your hair isn't done, try to jazz it up and make it look fashionable. And y'all see what I'm saying about it being on your forehead? Like your forehead is free. Like you don't want your forehead all covered. Like you're going to be hot. You're going to be sweating. You want that thing up off your forehead. And that's literally all I do, y'all. So I'm going to do it one more time to show y'all again. So like I said, I'm going to take the right side, which is y'all left. And I'm going to cover the left side so that it becomes one. Then I'm going to twist at the base, bring it around, right? Leave this part fluffy and make a donut. Okay? It might look different every single time. That's just how it is with turbans. But just fix it to how you want it to be. You can make it bigger. You can make it smaller. And then like I said, I like to push it back up off of my forehead. So, really easy, and as you guys can see, now I'm giving a look. I'm giving a look. What's up? You ready to go get drinks? You ready to go hang out? You want to go to the mall? Oh, she's here. She has arrived. She walked in the room. You know what I'm saying? You're going to turn some heads. Edges can breathe. They're not smothered. You know what I'm saying? You can pull this down a little bit and adjust it around here to your liking. But yeah, there you have that. That's how I roll with it. That's what I do. And I like it this way. So this is the first way with the stretch cotton. This is how I like to do it. So I'm going to show you how to do it to the back. So you put it on your head like so. Hopefully I'm explaining this properly. Well, y'all can see me doing it. And then I'm going to pull it like this. Kind of like a ponytail. And I'm going to do the same method. So whichever side you want to put over the other side, it doesn't matter. So I'm going to take this right side. Put it over the left side. And then I'm going to start turning. But you have to do it a little different when it's on the back. I'm going to start turning. Okay, so it's tight at the frame. And then leave it loose on the end. And bring it around. And bring it around and bring it around. And push the ends inside the bun. Okay? Okay, then you take your mirror. You make sure you like how it look in the back. Pull it back a little bit, show a little edge, and boom. Then you got your turbans in the back. What's up? They're not going to play with you now. They're not going to play with you. So yeah, this is how you do your turban to the back. And you looking popping. Supposed to show you all how to do the turban with the printed fabric as well. The footage got messed up. If you all still want me to do it, let me know in the comments. This video was helpful. Thanks for watching, and I will see you all on my next one. Bye!